Hello, my wonderful students. Very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see periodic test 1 for class 3. Subject is max, and this is last year question paper. Okay, so total marks we have for 40. So, knowledge, understanding, ability to compute, problem solving, and the total mark is 40. First, we will see the knowledge part. Answer the following. And students, if you want this question paper or few more question paper, you have to join the channel. The link is given in the description box. Join the channel and send me an email to the email address which is there in the description box as well. Okay. First, number name for 172. So you have to write the number name for 172. So write it very neatly, students. So 100 72. Okay, next 386 dash hundreds dash tens dash ones. So we have 300s, 8 tens and 6 ones. Okay, indicate the place value of encircled number. So we have to write the place value of the circled number. So 3 is hundreds place, 8 is tens place, and 7 is in ones place. So you have to write tens. Okay, in case if they are giving a different number, for example, so there is a number 981, and if they are circling number 9, 9 is in hundreds place. So you have to write 100. So hundreds. Okay, next. So we have to complete the blanks here. So 710, 720, and then 730. So next comes 740, 750, 760, and 770. Okay, so 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760 and 770. So now we have to find the number. So in each square box we have given number 10, and in each circle we have number 1. So first we will see how many square boxes we have. We have 3 square boxes. So 3 square boxes with number 10. So 3 into 10, which is 30. 3 tens are 30. And 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 circles for ones, and 4 ones are 4. 30 plus 4 is 34. Okay, so the answer is 34. Find the number. You have to write the answer here as 34. Okay, and find out how many corners are there in the given shape. So you have to find out how many corners. Let me change the color here. So I'm going to use blue. So first corner, second corner, third corner, fourth corner, and fifth corner. So how many corners we have? So we have 5 corners. So the answer is 5. Okay, next. Using dotted line, divide the following picture into 2 similar halves. So we have to divide this picture into 2 similar halves using a dotted line. Okay, students, if you are doing this, use a scale to have a dotted lines. Okay, so I'm going to cut this into two halves using dotted lines. If you want, you can do a vertical or horizontal line, any line, but only one line is enough. Okay, I'm just doing one more also, but you can draw any one line, that is enough. Okay, again triangle, you have to draw a dotted line which makes the triangle into two equal halves. Okay, so I'll change the color and I'll show you. So I've made a center line here, so this one is the first half. Okay, and this one is the second half. Okay, and triangle again, the first triangle, this one is the first half, and second one, this is the second half. Second half. So this one is completed now. So you can also write this is the first half, second half, and this one is the first half, and this one is second half. Okay, and next one, write the expanded form. So you have to write the expanded notation. So this number is 782. So you have to write 782. 782. Next is 598. Okay, 782 and 598. Okay, next, understanding. So now we have completed the part of knowledge, students. So we had answered the following name of the numbers, and we found the place value, find the numbers, and corners, how many corners are there, and we used dotted lines, and expansion notation is also completed. So next is understanding part, and we have 10 questions as well. Okay, first one, match the following. We have given with 96, 100, 25 and 3 statements. Okay. I am equal to 10 notes to 10. So I am equal to 10 notes. So I am equal to 10 notes to 10. So 10 notes, 10, for example, if you have 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times. So 10 times is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So 100. Okay, next. I am exactly between 15 and 35. So I'm exactly between 15 and 35. 96 does not come between 15 and 35 because 96 is greater than 35. And let's see if 25 is coming. So we can write 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm doing in 5 tables, students. And when you see the number 25 is exactly between 15 and 35. So the correct answer is 25. Next, if you hit 4 more, you score a century. So century is 100. 100 is century. Okay, there is a number. If we add 4 to that number, we will hit century. That number is 96 because 96 plus 4 is equal to 100. So the answer is 96. Okay, next. Draw the other half of the following picture. So we need to draw the other half of the following picture. The first half is already given. So I'm going to draw the house and let's try this picture also. Okay. Take a black one. So you can try. Students always use pencil to draw these pictures. Okay. And you can have a rectangle here and one more rectangle. Okay, and a small chimney here on the top. Okay, if you want, you can color the picture also. It is optional, but if you want, you can do that. Okay, coloring is not necessary in max students. If it is asked, you can do that. Okay. So next, this picture. You can draw her eyes and with a smile, with a small ponytail. Okay. Next, draw a top view of a car. So you have to draw a top view of the car. Okay. Okay, we take a black one. Okay, I'm going to draw a top view of the car. So let me draw lines first. Again, students, while you are doing it, always use pencil. Okay, and scale. And okay, this is the side mirror of the car. And this is the front view. A small drawing image. Okay, and these are the seats inside. Okay, this is the top view of the car, students. Okay, if you want, you can color the car. Next one, write the name, number, write the number name of the given number. So you have to write the number. So 342 is 342. So 342. 342. Next we have 781. Next 781. So we have to write 781. Okay. Next, draw any three design or picture in the dotted grid. So you have to draw any picture or any design in the dotted grid. So, okay, let me draw this. You can draw any picture, okay? Okay, and you can have a small open door here. Okay, and second picture, you can draw any picture, okay? Okay, if you want, you can color it also. And any shapes, if you want to draw shapes, you can draw like a square shape, rectangle, triangles, anything. Okay, so next, ability to compute. Answer the following questions. So we have given with 63 plus 12. So go back to the color. So you have to add 63 plus 12. So 63 plus 12. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 75. Okay, next. 4 more than 31. So we have given with the number 31. So 4 more than 31. So 31 plus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3 plus 0 is 0. 35. 35. Okay. Next, represent the number using the given shape. So we have numbers 100, 10 and 1. So we have to use the shape to represent these numbers. So first is 146, next 274 and we have 356. So for 100, so we can, how many hundreds are in 146? We have 100. So put a box and 100. And how many tens are there in 146? We have 4 tens. So we have to put 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. And you can write 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. And how many ones are there in 146? We have 6 ones. So 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is 40. Okay. So this one is 100. This one is 100. And this one is 40. And this one is 60. Oh, 6. So this one is 6. This one is 40. This one is 100. So 100 plus 40 is 140. 140 plus 6 is 146. Okay. Next we have 274. So 274, how many hundreds are there in 274? We have 2 hundreds. So we'll put a box. So write 100, 100. This question is very important, students. I see in many of the question paper the same question was asked. Okay, so listen very carefully. So 2 hundreds. Next, how many tens are there? We have 7 tens. So we are going to draw 7 triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so write 10, 10, 10. So 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next we have 4 ones. So we have to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So write 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now we have 200s, which is 200, and 7 tens, which is 70, and 4 ones, which is 4. So 200 plus 70 is 270. 270 plus 4 is 274. Okay, you no need to write the numbers, students. You just draw the boxes along with the numbers. Okay. Next we have 325. So 325, how many hundreds are there in 325? We have 3 hundreds. So draw a box. So 3 hundreds, when you need to draw 3 boxes. So 3 boxes. So 100, 100, 100. Okay. And next we have 2 tens. So one triangle, second triangle. So 2 tens. And we have 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 300, which is equal to 300, and we have 2 tens, which is 20, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ones, which is 5. So 300 plus 20 is 320. 320 plus 5 is 325. Okay. Next. Encircle the biggest number in the following. So you have to encircle the biggest number. So 720, 710, 71, 722. So which number is the biggest number? 722 is the biggest number. So all these number comes before 722. Okay. Next, jump 2 step forward. So you have to jump 2 step forward. So 210, it's 2 step again, 214, 2 step again, 214. Next 2 step is 216. Next 2 jump is 218. And if they asked one more dash, you can write 220. Okay, easy. Next, I come between 50 and 60 and there is 4 in my name. My name is, okay, I come between 50 and 60. So, we'll write 50, the numbers 15, 50 and 60. So, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And there is 4 in my name. So where we can able to see 4 here? Number 54. So the name is 54. 54. Okay. Next, solve the following. So we have given with addition and subtraction. So we have to solve this. Okay, first one. So 5 plus 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 899. Next. So 935 minus 207. So 5 cannot be separated by 7. So we can borrow from here. So this becomes 2 and this becomes 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 2, 9 minus 2 which is equal to 7. So next, ability to compute. So now we have completed understanding. So next comes problem solving, students. This is a printing mistake over here. So this is problem solving, not ability to compute. So this one is problem solving. Okay. Next comes fill in the blanks. 10 less than 35. So 10 less than 35. So 10 less than 35. So 10. So we have 35. When you minus 10 from that, 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 10 less than 35 is 25. So if they ask 20 less than 35, then you have to put 2 here. This becomes 1. It's 15. Okay. Next, 12 more than 65. So 12 more than 65. So 65 plus 12. 6 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 77. 77. Okay. Next. Shivani found 132 pebbles. Ria found 72 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find all? So how many pebbles together? So you need to add this. Okay. So you have to write Shivani. Okay, I'll change the color. So Shivani equal to 132 pebbles and Ria 72. So adding together. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 balance 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how many pebbles did they find? They find. So I have to write answer. Shivani So you have to write answer like this, students. Then only they will give full mark. Okay. Shivani and Ria found 204 pebbles. So you have to complete the answer like this. Okay. With the statement and underline the answer also. Okay. Next, Ram went to market with rupees 100. He bought shoe for rupees 65. So how many rupees left with him? So Ram went to market and he is having rupees 100. Okay, and the shoe rate is rupees 65, and how much money he is having? So how many rupees left with him? Okay, so Ram is equal to how many rupees he is having? 100 rupees, and write the shoe amount. shoe is equal to 65. So you're going to minus this out. So 0 cannot be separated by 5, so you can borrow this one. So this becomes 10. So again you have to borrow 1 to this number. So this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. And 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 30, 35 rupees. So how many rupees left? Answer. You have to write rupees, okay? Rupees 35 left with Ram. Okay, this is also printing mistake. It's Ram. Okay, so the answer is rupees 35 left with Ram. So you have to write it very neatly, students, and underline the answer. Okay, so we have come to the end. Next one. So how many runs needed to complete century? So how many runs needed to complete century? So we have name board, run scored and runs needed. So Peter run is 55 and century 100 is a century, we already know. So how many runs needed to Peter to get century? So you have to minus 100. So 100 minus 95. So if you have borrow here, this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So 5 runs. 95 plus 5 is equal to 100. So Peter needs 5 more runs to get 100. Okay. So next. So we have next Ramya. Ramya scored 89. Okay. So Ramya's score is 89. So I'll write here. So we have 100. So 100 minus 89. Again this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. So Ramya needs 11 more runs to need 100. If you had 89 plus 100, 89 plus 11, you will get 100. So you can cross verify also. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 balance 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. You will get this 100. Okay. So next we have Raju. So Raju's score is 75. So again what you have to do, we have 100. You have to separate 75. Okay, again this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 7 is 2, 25. So the answer is 25. Okay, Raju needs 25 runs extra to get the century. Okay, and last we have 82, which was scored by Ayush. So how many runs we needed now? So 100 minus 82. Again this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So Ayush need 18 runs. Okay, so this is going to be very important, students. Okay, in case if they are asking additional runs, who is very near to score 100? So who is very near to score 100? So Peter is very nearing to score 100 because he only need 5 runs for 100. Okay, and who is very far away to score 100? Raju, because he needs 25 runs to score 100. So he needs 25 runs. Okay, Peter needs only 5 runs. Okay, so now we have completed this question paper, students. If you need this question paper for practice, kindly join the channel, okay? I have given the link in the description, and if you have any questions, you can also send me an email. I will type my email here so that you can see it. I'll do this in red. Okay, CATHERINE3107 at gmail.com. Okay, all the very best students, do well and write neatly in your exam question paper. Do not overwrite anything, and if you make any mistake also, rub it very gently and then write the answer. Okay, do not overwrite on any numbers, and while writing the number 2 and 5, write it very neatly, because sometimes it is very difficult to find out the difference between 2, 7 and 5. Okay, so write very neatly. And I'm going to give smiley today to all my students. Green color. Okay, with blue or purple eyes. Okay, all the best students. Take care and be safe. Bye bye.